welcome to video 2. In the last video, we went over how to get to Google Classroom and some of the basics along with one assignment. I want to do 2 more assignments with you and kind of go over the Google Suite to help you feel more comfortable with Google Classroom. So again, the stream is not where the work is located. The classwork tab is where you would click. So we've already done in the last video, we turned in lesson 1. So let's look at lesson 2, a reading interest survey. We are going to click View Assignment. It says answer the following questions on the Google form and submit it. So here is my Google form. Notice it didn't create a copy for me over here because it's a form. So I'm going to click it. My favorite genre to read is mystery. I read books because I love reading. And I will click Submit. Response has been submitted and assignment marked as done. So that's how you'll know that your student submitted any Google Forms, is it will say that they've submitted. Then I can go back to Google Classroom in that tab. Go back to the home page here and then classwork. And it now says turned in. So I know for a fact that my child has turned in the reading interest survey. Let's go to Unit 2. So this is Lesson 1 under Unit 2. This one is not due until August 17th, but I'm going to go ahead and knock it out. Click View Assignment. It says, I want to know more about you as a student. Please answer the following questions on the doc below, which is actually going to be to the side. It used to be below, but now it pops it up under your work to the side. It will create a copy for you, turn it in, answer all of the questions, and submit your doc. So let's click the doc. I'm going to go ahead and answer these. My favorite subject is obviously English. I love socializing with my friends. What do I enjoy least? I don't enjoy math. What else do you want me to know about you? Okay, now from here, I can click Turn In up here at the top if it's a doc. And then I can click Turn In again. And I have submitted it. I want to unsubmit and show you one more thing really quick. So let's say the teacher did not create a copy for you and they wanted you to create your own Google Doc. You would click Add or Create from any assignment and click Docs. Now it created that blank doc for me. If I go back to the assignment, well, it's not there. I need to type in it. Yeah, it is. There we go. There it is right there, my blank doc. If you wanted to create a slide, you could do the same thing. If you decided that you don't need those, you could easily just click the X and delete those. If I wanted to check my work and make sure that I'm not turning in a blank document, which has happened to students, they've turned in blank documents, I can click it before I turn it in. My answers are on there, so I should be good. So you can always check your students' work by clicking what they've attached or what the teacher has copied for them before they turn it in. And I'm going to turn it in. So the next thing I want to show you is the Google Suite. Close out of these up at the top. So you can get to your docs, your sheets, your forms using that Google Apps toggle. But most of the work will be done directly off of Classroom. I just wanted to give you a quick rundown of where to find those if your kid was struggling. The only other thing that I want to go over in Google Classroom is that our teachers will not take grades in Google Classroom. They will take grades on Hack. So if the student is trying to look and see it's worth 10 points, my teacher graded it, this one is obviously not graded. But if your teacher graded it, it's not going to show up here in Google Classroom. They're going to post it in Hack, and we'll show you a video of that as well, how to get to Hack from the new school website. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at amanda.maxwell@greenwoodk12.com. Thanks.